So hi guys. I'm coming today with a video more so because I know I promised that I'll be doing like a makeup series for this quarantine, and I was supposed to do a video yesterday. I was supposed to do a video today. However, I did not do it just yet because I really was feeling very under the weather, to the point where I had a complete cough. I was having slight body ache, and I think I was running like a little fever. I'm not running one now or anything like that. And before you guys say it, no, I don't have the corona. I don't know what was going on. I am going to chalk it up to the fact that the other day that I went outside with no jacket. I had on like a, how do you call it? I had on like a sweatshirt, and I knew better. I should have had on a jacket, but I didn't. And the day after that day, so that was Saturday. Sunday, I also went outside again with no jacket and went out with a sweatshirt. So I've noticed that since I went out those 2 days with just a sweatshirt, Monday came, which was yesterday, I was sick. And then today, I was feeling a little sick. So I didn't have the energy today at all. All I did today, honestly, was sleep. Lay in this bed, roll around, cover up, literally it's all the way up to my neck. And then after a while, throw the covers over my head so where all you was able to see was my eyes. So I basically slept my whole day away, besides helping my daughter with her virtual learning online. After that was done, I had no energy. I completely tapped all the way out. I just couldn't do it. So today's video, for the most part, is just coming to you guys just to see what is it that you guys are doing to stay safe, to stay healthy, to stay sane in this corona quarantine, because we are on like what, day 9. And just a small disclaimer, if you see the camera shaking, it's because I'm actually in my bed with the ring light. So I'm holding it and it's a little unsturdy. So if you see the shaking, I apologize in advance, but I really wanted to make this video, so I have everything in the bed with me. Yeah, so I just wanted to kind of know, what are you guys doing for this whole quarantine? I know that we need to be in self-quarantine and practice social distancing, but those of you who are, be it single parents, parents that are, the parent that's home, and you have to be home with the child to make sure that you're doing, whatever schoolwork or whatever, or even your own personal work, and you're working from home, and you run out of food, or you run out of things, essentials that need to be in the house, you have to go out in the public. You have to be amongst others who possibly, maybe, sort of, kind of, might have, the virus, and might not be identified as of yet, for themselves, even knowing that they have the virus. That's number one. Or even to the CDC, or even that state, or whatever the case, that they even have the virus. So literally, we're walking around and we don't know who has what every single day that we continue in quarantine. So this video is pretty much just to kind of talk about, me for today. Apologize that for 2 days I have not been able to stick to my everyday quarantine series. I really hope that you guys understand. But hopefully tomorrow I will feel better. I feel better now. As long as I feel better tomorrow, I'm back on it. I will make sure that I record 2 videos tomorrow, 2 quarantine series. I really want to record a basic everyday look. So even though, yes, I do have a basic everyday look, or my everyday look, on this page, but I want to record one that anybody can follow, because maybe the steps in the other one might be a little bit more detailed than what I want. I really want it to be, honestly, just more, like every day that anybody, even the most, the person that just began makeup yesterday, I want them to be able to follow it. So I just really wanted to make this video for you guys, so that way you understand as to why I haven't made the makeup videos or series for the last 2 days. Honestly and truly, I was really in no shape at all yesterday or today to be able to prepare a video for you guys to see. I was sick as I don't know what. I did not feel good. So I know that I may get a question about it. This headband I actually got from Target, and for what it was $16.99. I probably could have just made it myself and did a DIY and spent less on it. But I love this headband. Honestly, I love this headband. So maybe I could do that. I'll do a do it yourself video on how to make these headbands and probably spend like no more than $3 or $4. So maybe that'd be something I can do in this video. Yeah. So please, guys, stay safe. Wash your hands, cover your mouth, and I'm going to say it if no one else will say it. Although they say that we don't need masks, I'm going to say go ahead and grab yourself a mask. Do what makes you feel safe. So I am one who honestly felt like, okay, they said we didn't need masks, so I'm not going to get masks. I went and got masks today. My sister actually had quite a few masks. I got one from her, but I also went and got masks. I went and got gloves. I'm sorry. I'm not playing no games because I don't know if you guys have heard the story, but in New York, a principal that is pretty close to one of the family members of mine passed away. I believe it was yesterday. She was 36 years old. I don't even like. I can't even fathom that. As much as right now in this current state that we're in, that people believe that this is just, something that's going to kind of just go away on its own. I'm not a government conspiracy theorist. I don't have time for it right now. I do have my own beliefs, of which I do not share. I do not choose to share on this channel because that's not what this channel is about. I honestly believe that in order for us to do what we need to do for ourselves and our families, we must start with making sure that we are safe. So, with that being said, if you feel like you need a mask, if you feel like you need gloves, make sure that you have those things. Keep yourself safe. Keep your family safe. Keep your kids safe. Keep everybody safe during this time, because this right here is... This is honestly, I don't see any end to it anytime soon. So yeah, I don't want to bring down the mood of of this channel. I don't want to bring down the mood or even continue to have people scared, which is why I wanted to do the quarantine series. I really want people to be in the best spirits as we fight this and get through this as best as we can. So I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for understanding. And I will see you guys tomorrow for another video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I will talk to you later. Bye.